High above the water, one of North America's most recognizable predators is already watching. A bald eagle. From its perch, the eagle has an enormous view of the world below, and much of its day revolves around one thing: finding food. Fish make up an important part of the bald eagle's diet, which is why these birds are often found around rivers, lakes, coastlines, and other bodies of water. But first, the eagle has to find its target. Its powerful eyesight helps it scan the landscape from high above. Then, the waiting ends. The eagle launches into the air. Its enormous wings carry it across the water as it closes the distance. When an opportunity appears, it can swoop toward the surface and use its powerful feet and sharp talons to seize prey. But bald eagles don't rely on only one way of finding a meal. They can also feed on carrion and take advantage of other available food sources. Once the search is over, the eagle may return to a perch. And during nesting season, another responsibility can take over. Bald eagles build enormous nests, often returning to and adding material to them over multiple years. Both parents can take part in caring for their young, but eventually it's time to take to the sky again. With broad wings spread wide, the eagle can use rising air to soar while conserving energy. From above, it continues watching, waiting, searching, until another opportunity appears below. For a bald eagle, survival is a constant balance between patience and action. One moment, perfectly still; the next, airborne. What animal should we follow for a day next?